In a world where health and fitness often come with rigid rules and restrictions, Chidambaram chose a different path. He embarked on a transformation journey that embraced balance and flexibility. Chid knew that life's pleasures, like enjoying a drink over the weekends, were important to him. He didn't want to sacrifice these moments in pursuit of his fitness goals. As Chidambaram keeps saying to me, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So we figured out a plan that would be a perfect balance between living life and achieving fitness goals. And we also had to manage time to squeeze in a workout at least 4 days a week because being a corporate lawyer, Chid had long working hours and yet managed to give it his best. With a tailored fitness and nutrition plan, Chid learned to make healthier choices throughout the week, allowing him the freedom to enjoy his weekend indulgences guilt-free. So you have to make sure you always align your lifestyle to your expectations and give yourself realistic timelines and stay consistent. Today, Chidambaram's journey demonstrates that you can achieve your fitness goals without sacrificing the joys of your life as long as you don't give up.